Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss what is unit of production method in depreciation chapter. The formula of unit of production method is depreciation expense per unit equal to cost minus salvage value divided by estimated life per unit, or depreciation expense per hour equal to cost minus salvage value divided by estimated life per unit. There are two formulas in unit of production method. Depends upon question data, right? Okay, let's solve the example. The example is displayed on our screen. First of all, we must read out the requirements of this example. Our first requirement is compute the depreciation expense per unit, and second requirement is compute the depreciation expense for the first 2 years, right? First 2 years, assuming that production of first 2 years units 4,500 and second year units 5,800. Third requirement tells that prepare the partial balance sheet for first 2 years. Khalid and Co. purchase a machine which cost rupees, right? This is a rupees currency, 3,20,000 rupees, and scrap value is 20,000 rupees at the end, and service life of 10 years, right? It is also estimated that the machinery will have a service life of producing approximately 50,000 units. Okay, let's solve the example. First of all, we solve the first requirement, which computation of production depreciation expense per unit. We know very well the unit of production method formula is depreciation expense per unit equal to cost minus residual value divided by estimated life in units. Residual value, salvage value, and scrap value are same words. Okay, put all values in the formula. Cost value is given in our example, and as well as residual value 50,000 units is also given in our example. When we calculate over this formula, the unit of production 6 per unit. Okay, let's calculate the depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation of first 2 years. The first year units is 4,500. We will multiply by 6. The result will be depreciation expense 27,000 and accumulated depreciation first year 27,000 rupees. We know very well accumulated depreciation is if we add all depreciation expense previous years is called accumulated depreciation. For example, 27,000 plus 34,800, 61,800. This is called accumulated depreciation. The units is given in our example 4,500 and 5,800 units. Okay, let's record the general entries for first 2 years. First of all, depreciation expense debit and allowance for depreciation credit 27,000 rupees. And second year depreciation transaction is depreciation expense debit and allowance for depreciation credit. Amount is 34,800. The narration will be to record depreciation expense for second year and at here in first year, right? This is the simple journal entry. Okay, let's solve the third requirement, which is balance sheet partial. Khalid and Co. partial balance sheet as on December 31st. First of all, we make the two columns which is called first year and second year. We will write down the machine cost which is 3,20,000 rupees both years, and less accumulated depreciation 27,000 and 61,800. The book value will be 2,93,000 and 5,80,000 58,200. This is our partial balance sheet. Now we have fulfilled the third requirement of this example. I hope you understand how we calculate unit of production method. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video in social media and WhatsApp group. Okay guys, take care.